Hi again. I thought I'd do a little video from my little man cave slash office at the bottom of the garden. It's about the Audi TT. I had to take it in last week for a recall for the airbag. Need regassing or something like that. Anyway, the Audi dealers, or Audi Steelers as they're well known, wanted to keep it there overnight so they could do some safety checks on it and have a look around, see if everything was alright, see if anything needed replacing. Well, anyway, obviously a lot of things did need replacing according to Audi, and they've sent me a video which I've left for you to watch after this, and I've also put at the end the breakdown of all the costs and everything else they want me to pay for have them done. Video was quite good. I'm going to change a few of them components myself on there, like the rear gas shock absorbers and a few other items, but I'll let you leave to your discretion what you think of the costs. I thought it was
I found your rear tyres are 4mm. At 4mm, we will just advise you to have your tyres checked in a few months' time. They are starting to get more on the lower side of the life now, so we do like to keep track of the wear from here. I've noticed with your driver's rear dampener, as you can see I'm pushing there, it's quite soft compared to the other side, which is still sturdy. A little bit difficult for me to show you with one hand pushing on the wheel, but this side is a lot softer in dampness. Your brake lines, I've noticed on your rear near side there is some corrosion starting to occur in the clips. This is a common place for them to go. You can't always indicate it because it is actually in the clip where it wears. I would advise for the line to be replaced from the front to the rear. Your driver's rear side, not as bad. In fact, I do believe that if we treated it for you, you will get at least another 12 months out of it. And there is another brake line that runs over the fuel tank, which unfortunately you can't see. My only concern is the vehicle is 23 years old now, and obviously these do wear and corrode. I would advise inspection of this, perhaps even replacing it, because we would have to drop the tank down to see this. Your rear axle bushes, they are heavily worn. I've had a bar in there. There is excessive movement. Again, I would advise these to be replaced. I do believe that they are the originals on the car also, so they have served a good purpose over the years. Minute things are your headlight adjusters. These are seized, so you're not getting streaming of the headlights on the road. These dampen and move up and down for you, but as you can see, the seized solid, so they won't really be functioning correctly. Moving forward, exhaust system in good working order. Your front adjuster, show you this one again. It's a minor thing again. This one is seized also. More severe things now, your ball joint, excessive plate in the ball joint. This will be an MOT fail. Your near side CV boot also, as you can see, the clip has come off. I can't tell if it's a cable tie or not, I think it is, and you have lost some grease there, so I would be advising a new boot and grease. Brake lines in good order. Coming to your opposite side now. Tyres, driver's side 4mm, passenger side 3mm. Audi standards would advise the tyre to be replaced in the next 3 to 6 months, so it's starting to get low. Brakes all round, discs and pads in good condition. No issues there.